Obama na a contested for the organizer position. Unfortunately, when Timmy and go through, but then Fugure the F pa Obia Fugo for Koya Obia and the F Obama. Bemena Obama Lana drop him.
Obama
yes, he did his best.
He did very well.
Mama in the results now.
Obama in my memory the exact results no.
I see.
Obama did very well. To be honest, yeah, for Obama.
Oh, you're not from there.
Yes, you see, Enra ewo venue honomu no yehu ahokeka.
Yeah.
Na ewo honomu. Any the way na delegates no esanso edono.
Okay.
Any you see, omuma yehu no say they have gone into contest ankasa.
Okay.
Yes, and it was a clear contest. And Obama enya 489.
Okay.
489 votes.
Interesting.
Yes, 489 votes. Of course, Isham Alasan enya 791.
Okay.
Difference no emu chekakra. 791 against 480.
So on another second too.
On another second, but obviously no. Also deputy no so much aba.
Okay.
Deputy almost aba.
Is the NDC position in Omutuaba?
Yes, Omutuni.
And this MPP will be a say.
Omutumi appointing Kofobi say Omuma Meye. And of course, the Asare Bediako did very, very well. He did his best. And Otumi show Isham say yes, they were into contest because na pressure na will between Omono not just an ordin. In this nanka Isham ama and I say Asare Bediako ama nanka Isham tumu be any day. Oshe Omomo contest ya no mo ye three. The only person out to me will say one home wedding out to me say 1 year campaign Justice Afa, the former parliamentary candidate the man more work hard so constituency. Or no buy waba for several elections our Ashanti region were winning. Several elections were winning. And it tells you say people are really interested in the fact to say Isham Al-Hassan comes with a lot of energy. And it was about to way, and it's not just an internal contest. So, a contest between the NDC and the NPP. Battle for 2024. The battlefield and Omadron and then until some year they will see their real size. And of course, Enra Isham Al-Hassan vote no was very convincing. Asare Bediako did well, and they gave him value for value for contest. And the contest is very clear, very, very clear. And it was a good contest. It was clear say Isham Al-Hassan won convincingly, but Asare Bediako also did his best. So Onya 489.
Oh, okay, Papa Banacha. Hey, I'm very friend to me now, Papa. Hey, Papa.
Yes, Kofi.
Hey, where the Unkuto? Unkuto na Papa di Asra.
Who say Okon career? And Asare Bediako ye ohene.
Some
of the sub chiefs maybe.
Akonya hene one career. Oye, unza oko ntabenua. Ntabenu te se unza yewe kurase no. Ye kokobo koko fu ho a. Ye ni ayefu ni akwa 20 bi enkura be 10. Na ho na ye nuanom bia ye na efu bi koye no. So onye ohene a okọ copy homage to be the chiefs about kura na so kakra no ntabanu ho no e na wo ye o mu di crew of a sort what I say but no ba santime na wo ka wo hene a different thing
okay metia
what I say
busy good in sanen kwa de na say
said this there
Tomago san kwa
de of Victor say of Victor ni o hene of Victor di hene why this year of Victor ye this year
scan oni
and no scadi of Victor ni kra but he has been one of the best and Tamoye DC
absolutely.
I'm not surprised but on the free system ni ma check akra media na Asare Bediako good morning.
Good morning, that's what I need you man but na mo to say.
Nyame adom. Na me ka say obata career feche obi ade a mehunu wase. I tell you. Na oluma be na wayi na kuma mu nyina wo de chia wo sa no. O frantoma no papa bi frantoma woni.
Exactly. You know people in
the love was deep. The love anyone who brasier.
In fact, yes, to be fair with you. And yesterday, and this virtual dog almost came or door on that one may almost you need to say, get me in so many, so many, you know. I think that being a mepe anyway.
But me, I was a witty muntem. Though I rated you higher to Isham. I mean, because Isham is a friend, but Isham is a friend, but you are a brother. And obviously, I could not have gone for a friend to a brother. And a basa na kweze. But Isham chiwu munsu.
And query, I say. You can I'm fast like a few more them phone for the unquadrumi and one or the sentence. In politics, no, on say, you deny your politics. Obia when a shoulder all year. As former DC, I was in government. They say about opposition, I go back to the party. I may a Jumadiabua party, no. Or also, may factor a party, no. Also, you fight a Juma since and what a Bemua, a Juma Sabbath. So sharp, no matter that they are party politics, and also a woman that. And no matter what, you know, at least a local party, no party, in the national, I look at them and a Uber party, and another one. Two, a Juma a Diabua party, no. I say, penny, if you say, so sharp, someone. From I think we just had 2 weeks to the election. Well, we two constituency elections every year. 2 weeks then you have to be. If you imagine, say you have 2 constituency elections a year. No, what really be I said proven BNC a year on person. Now with the 2 weeks, SR quarter, and maybe 9 good days and across the whole Ashanti region. I'm a core baby. There are 9 days. Unlike Semi Pano said it, only the womb. Or my Juma or Mumu or Swan Coho or Mumu. It was a good fight. And I think that my congratulations, my friend on the pain, I congratulate you. I shall know. They say, GBR, a delegate now with more than man. No, the Benjamin Pay said, now intimate man from what party. No, not 2024 elections. No, we don't come. The Internet Casano pay. In fact, it was fantastic. And say, problem there no NDC na win, and I know for sure say any say NDC from to matter, but the point is that NDC for you say leaders are only for now no any bit na you adwuma aboa ama NDC aba power 2024 the getting the only problem is say yen so a say the alcohol amaye no yen no see NDC na win yen na yen see from yen to omo adwuma say the 2024 elections but enye ade easy. I say yes for me. My message all the contestants are quite Yame answer couldn't be a moment. So when you know and from more NDC, at the end of the day, if you are Juma at the boy NDC, President John Zaman Mahama and in the Bedlam. So some of us are okay, and I don't think that we have any issue about our news. Yes.
Na mibo say enra yese aboa no de agakwa yenya na kwa mpanimfo na eka na kwa se yi wantua kakra wa matienti
the woman say na nani mkweli ni politics to be le call them no the catch mama for adwuma yaye edi aboa party no na me ka me policies are me person me ba make me be aboa about the grassroots reorganization in terms of security ko the first way the when she say ato about 2024 and again about your foreign agent training I ran a media kachi. So my main vision and me say anka my way now before a year to elections no now we've been able at least every polling station now there was 3 polling agents a year to the elections. It means that now the policies na manfesika anante policies no so na eto nipa na kuma so papa because when you put the me how na you nti to the town na enye sikasem I didn't do that say the sika aircraft for you obi to me baby but now the policies are ebeboa na again na me say bodo the president Mahama you na we did you no say yeah no me year or maybe the only person that na be Ghana sibo nti that was the policies are near here intermediate so obi ko tie sika bia I cannot tell. But for me as a person, no, me do do enemy policies and the call down me ni pa ekasai. A promotion dream it was the policies no me ba no. Me dey ba na papa into the ko bi sam na you have very fantastic ideas and policies when it comes to party organization. In cases when you near a dear number, the Jan and Mkacha said, they can't win because of the interest I have in NDC. As a former appointee, 7 good years, my year been seeking the students, their board party. Masanya could go up contest. The back contest, next delegates, Mkacha and Senana, my year win qua. Not as a woman you need to know almost in my year win qua. Naman Sobin Kamu. And all the policies that are outlined, but the member on board, executives officially, they have the power to stand in for NDC no Omodia Juma. It's a problem here, no, not at all. You need any other problem at all.
So, what next for Obama?
Thank you. What next today, as I'm speaking to you now, is immediately to go down and start doing party work. Immediately, I hear also say, "Yes, party make money every." And now, no, the Juma home make a cry. Men say, "You cut down na let's know your Juma." The Abua Party for 2024 elections. So they are His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Really, Ebeba na Wababa Ghana for intimate na say Minia. I will continue to do the media work. I will continue to communicate for the party. I will continue to do everything that I can in my capacity to make sure that NDC as a party, is stronger than even now.
Okay. I wish you all the best. Now,
thank you very much.
Besign, I contest it. It's too early, though. But is this something you've thrown in the towel forever? Original position,
to be frank with you, for now there is no contest. All we need to do, the contest ahead of us is 2024. That is our focus now. And what we want to do is say, the 2024 elections, we like every contest in some. We any you have not doing answer and find so a queen of the first one. You better to me 2024 FPMP for now. That is I think that they need to me Akoma.
At what point in time who say you were losing?
To be frank with you, in fact, they say you can abano. Yes, I then I'm very sure that I was going to win the elections.
Oh sir.
They said, oh yes. I was very sure that I was going to win the elections. Na they say you can abano. And you can say yes, but Lucy. Yes, I then I'm very sure because now my policies outline was fantastic. And now I'm okay. The policies are doing them so dear. At the end of the day, no, they pay and I think later and throw we need to look at intro because later on no, I understood that na nyoma omo margin so to abama ni nano na ni petit tu ni pe kodin tu no mu asa ni pe kono so the eight and to the na mete e can send the blue e family to the point say even to the point say just same basa just say omuka efa omo e saying a to the minds of the delegates and just say obi ka the delegates maybe about 3 constituencies ko mo no na papa ya basi ba beto abama ni na aba ya confirm me say ba beto abama na the way titi wo guns you is it true or not ejina ama omo na adwuna yi na omo hu the just no my confused ejano so e ha me kakra and so ha me kakra all the same no strategy obo strategy of fire no say obey adwuma me die akono ma kasa but at the grassroots no or another at the grounds no most better condition damage control now and also affecting yes it was another pointer and also affecting me over the ground yes and also affecting me
Nana, I wish you better luck next time.
Thank you you
are still my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Still a brother.
You are still my brother. Debbie. So that was Asare Bediako.
Yes, I mean, Kaka said he did well. He fought well. Obama for the first time in the what me and bear 489 votes. I tell you say, all my crop of delegates be almost penasem.